do I know a deal is good when I see it? I got a lot of those, by the way.
Yeah.
A lot of people ask that question.
And again, we work with a lot of new people, so a lot of times it's, they get a little nervous. They've got a deal, it's like, oh my gosh, is this good or not?
Right.
Then you start second guessing yourself or everything you might have learned in a seminar or workshop.
Sure.
How do you know if a deal's good? We review it. And again, we're the only consultative lender in the nation. Most lenders aren't going to tell you if your deal's good. They're just going to go, yeah, we can do it. Here's your terms.
Right.
Send you packing. We'll actually look at the deal. We do a profit analysis on the deal. We'll do a projection, tell you here's what your investment is. Here's what you can, in cash, how much money you're going to make. You're going to make $42,362.12.
Okay.
It's a 41.6% cash on cash return, so 82% annualized. So we'll actually do that analysis and bounce it back to you. We also comp the property to make sure it's a good deal. We look at your scope of work to make sure you're budgeting your rehab correctly. So if you don't know it's a good deal, we'll let you know if it's a good deal. Because I'm not writing a check. I mean, it's real simple. My job is to write you a check, and I got to get paid back. I mean, it's pretty simple. That's what lending is.
Sure.
So I'm not going to loan on a crappy deal.
No.
I'm only going to fund a deal that makes financial sense.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please go ahead and fill out the section below with your questions, and who knows, you may have them answered by Chief Denney on our next programming.
Thank you for joining us.